Nights we share and time we spared will make your heart hold up. They call it love, you call it enough. Think I know better now.
Róisín O, welcome back to Tutu.
Thanks for having me.
You've got a really, really busy summer coming up, don't you?
Yeah,
First off is going to be your brand new single launch.
yes, on the 14th of May in Whelan's, having a big gig, lots of new songs and new vibes, and really excited about that. Obviously, Give It Up is the single. People might have heard it on radio, but there's going to be songs that no one has ever heard before, which is really exciting to get them sort of live ready and with the band.
We can't take the hate you put on us. You got to give it up, love. All this you put on me. You got to make your mind up, love. We can't take the hate you put on us. Hearts aren't strong when nothing's wrong, but something doesn't feel right. Yeah, we got love, but is that
Exciting times as well because you're supporting the Coronas on their European tour.
Yeah, I know, so
Unreal.
excited for that.
Amazing.
We've got a tour bus and it's gonna be a great tour.
I wanted
think.
to ask about that. What
Yeah.
is that dynamic going to be like? Because obviously you lived with your brother before. Do
Yeah,
you kill
for a
each
couple
other?
years. No, we're actually much better friends now than we were when we were kids. I
Okay.
think. Yeah, we actually hang out now. You know, I think I'm gonna be the only girl on the tour, which
God,
could be
lovely.
hard. And I've heard that there's not. I don't know if the shower works all the time and things.
Wow.
It's gonna be a difficult one.
Yeah,
But
and you've got those luscious locks that you need to take care of
yeah,
as well.
Be Batiste out constantly. But no, I think I'll have to go into it with a sort of a festival camping mentality.
I know.
I love that. Like.
you gotta make your mind up, love. Your mind up, love. Be better to leave it, leave it. It might be better to leave it, leave it. It might be better. Tell me, give it up, give it up, give it up. It might be better if your mind don't let us wait. It might be better, but still you give it up, give it up, give it love, and still my mind will race. Just tell me, give it up, give it up, give it up. It might be better to leave it, leave it, leave it. You got to give it up, love.
Tell me about the song you're performing for us today.
I'm going to be performing Give It Up.
Give
the
It Up.
single. Yeah.
Brilliant.
So I wrote it with John Bro and Danny was there as well and chipped in a bit. And I suppose for me the lyrics are conversation, sort of the verse versus the chorus are conversation with two people, but you can read into that yourself.
Mind up, love.